Now, the most accurate weather forecast in South Texas with Chief Meteorologist Dale Nelson.
Hi everybody, well, welcome back and happy Friday. A happy looking picture here as we see our one shoreline Skycam looking west and lots of sunshine. But unfortunately, it's not going to last. It will through sunset, but not for tomorrow. All right, here are our temperatures right now across the coastal bend. Everybody's in the 60s. Again, where the clouds were today, it was a little bit on the dreary side temporarily through the morning and noon hour, but the sun came out this afternoon. Turned out to be pretty nice. Dew point temperatures on the rise, 40s and low 50s, and they are anywhere from about 1 to, in Hebbronville's case, 13 degrees higher than this time yesterday because of this persistent east-southeasterly wind. So this is adding a little bit of a chill to the air coming off the 55-degree water temperature. The future tracker shows the winds staying out of the east at about 5 to 10 miles an hour in the morning, and then during the afternoon they continue with the easterly direction. There is no cold front coming through this weekend. That is stalled and will dissipate up to our north. There is an upper level disturbance coming through which will shift these winds to the west on Sunday and make for a beautiful day here Sunday. And as I mentioned yesterday, easily the best day of the weekend will be Sunday if you have outdoor plans with light winds. Monday comes along though and the winds start to pick up again in response to the real front that will be arriving here on Monday night. The short-term forecast has sunshine at 6 o'clock and 61, then we drop off into the 50s with that east-southeast wind clouding us up overnight through the morning, but no precipitation or rainfall occurring at that time. Watch the future tracker here. We put this into motion. Here comes the rain with an upper level disturbance, and again, it'll be mainly over the southern half of the coastal bend tomorrow afternoon. Southern half, especially down towards the valley. So if you're traveling south, you're going to run into a lot of problems. Traveling towards San Antonio, not so much. Looks pretty good up there. That all goes away tomorrow evening, and by midnight we'll start to clear out, be a little bit cooler because of the clearing skies. And look at all the sunshine on Sunday, and then we move into Monday, and although the winds pick up, we'll still have the mostly sunny skies. Rainfall amounts, this map really shows it. The heavier amounts from Corpus Christi south, the lighter amounts to next to nothing as you go north. So again, put that in your plans. With the disturbance right here, this is what's going to cause the rain as it moves quickly with the jet stream through. Here's the core of the cold air up here that we'll talk about in a moment. But this right here, this little feature is going to come through. There it is at 5 o'clock tomorrow. Then it pushes off to the east. Then this core of cold air takes over and it rotates around counterclockwise. This is a polar vortex. It's going to settle over the Great Lakes here on Tuesday and Wednesday and then move east. So the surge of cold air will be northeast of us, and I think because of that feature here in Corpus Christi, we'll stay just above freezing. It's going to be awfully cold, but it's going to be just above freezing. So the main focus of the cold air is to the east of South Texas, although we will get a glancing blow of it. There's that stationary front in central Texas about to fall apart. There's the Arctic air. It's minus 13 in International Falls, and again, that's angling towards the Ohio Valley. 45 below zero up here north of Hudson Bay, and again, this is bitterly and brutally cold air that is sinking southward in the United States, but again, mainly east of us. Tonight gets chilly in the Panhandle in the 30s and 20s, while we'll be in the 50s here in South Texas and 60s tomorrow. As you can see on our NEC Co-op Energy 7-day forecast, 55 tonight, 64 tomorrow, 67, a nice day on Sunday, 75. Look at that sunshine on Monday, but then windy and getting awful cold here on Tuesday with a high of just 48 and down to 33 degrees again on Wednesday morning before it slowly moderates temperature-wise by the end of next week. Paulo?